Hey everyone, few days ago was my 28th birthday and I thought I need to share with you my long-term investment plan for the next 10 years. And if you want to beat the market, that's what I'm doing, and I'm here only for massive gains. And with these picks, I don't think I can miss. And of course, I am optimistic on my long term investments, but being optimistic is not a problem. It's not a bad thing because you have more power to open those positions. You have more power to invest and hold and keep them, right? And the last pick of mine, you won't be expecting at all. So keep watching till the end because it's going to be a diamond gem. And of course, before we starting, give me a late birthday gift, smash that like button, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So first thing first, I want to start with Bitcoin. BTC is the best asset in the world. You can't find anything else with these kind of performances. And this is the freedom. And I was thinking yesterday, what would I say 10 years ago to myself, about Bitcoin? And I would say you just need Bitcoin. You just need to buy more. And, after 10 years, I will think about this question again. And I would say the same thing. You need more Bitcoin. And guys, that's the thing. You always will think that you will need more Bitcoin for the next decade at least. So why am I bullish on it? So first of all, decentralization. Bitcoin operates on decentralized network, and that means it is not controlled by the government or any financial institutions. Second thing is quick transactions, and you can transfer any amount of money around the world. So imagine if you want to send a bigger amount of money from your bank to another bank, and of course it grabs attention. Sometimes banks even block those transactions. You need to get permissions to transfer a higher amount of money. And why do I need permissions to send my own money? Why cannot I send my money to somewhere else? So the bank controls your money, and the question is it really your own money? The bank is using your money and they are taking advantage of it, and you're getting nothing of it. They're investing, they're playing with it, right? And you're getting nothing. And Bitcoin is the key, like cryptocurrency is the key from that problem with banks. And yeah, so this is a huge plus for me because they can't regulate it. Third thing, and one of the most important, is ability to travel with your wealth. So basically, if you go to the airport with bag of full of gold or money, they will stop you. They will start asking where you get that money. Is it yours? Maybe you stole it, right? And there are a lot of cases that airport just takes your money, and there's no way how to get it back. It's confiscated, right? With crypto, with Bitcoin, you can go to the airport with your ledger, with your treasure, holding millions of dollars in value in crypto, right? And they won't say anything because they don't know. And that's the main thing. You can travel with your wealth around the world and no one knows that, right? So this is really amazing. And just guys, think about it. After 10 years, there will be 99% Bitcoin mined. So basically, it's over, guys. After 10 years, 99% of Bitcoin will be mined. So that means the supply is getting lower, and we, after 10 years, on November, we will be left with 1% of Bitcoin to mine for the next 100 years. And this is why people are talking about that. This is Bitcoin gold rush. This is Bitcoin gold rush, and you don't want to miss it. Because after that, Bitcoin will go to infinite. We don't even understand this yet, but Bitcoin will be the top asset in the world, and there are more than 21 millionaires in the world, right? And imagine if all of them will decide that they need at least one Bitcoin. They cannot do that, right? The supply is too low. That's why Bitcoin is growing in value, because more and more rich people understands what Bitcoin is, understands the technology around it that built on this. And yeah, so that's why Bitcoin is the best asset in the world, and no one will change it. Okay, so let's go to my other pick. It's Ether. Most of you know it as Ethereum, and of course it has a lot of those crypto advantages I was speaking before. But I just want to talk about the future right now, because the future is bright for Ethereum. The future is crazy, and we are going to have a crazy build NFT ecosystem on Ethereum. And of course, we already had that NFT bubble, but now we are rebuilding. We are rebuilding it. And one of the strongest whales right now that started build on Ethereum is Sony. They're having Sonium project on Ethereum. And this is crazy. This is the signs for me that Ethereum will attract more bigger players from the world. Because yeah, there is like a question from myself, why Ethereum is better than Solana? Because Solana is cheaper. But the thing is, Ethereum is security. Ethereum is better technology for smart money. They choose Ethereum, not Solana. Solana is for retail investors. And in the long term, Ethereum will outperform Solana. I'm not saying in this bull market that is going to happen, that is already started. But in long term, Ethereum will outperform Solana. And now let's talk about stocks. And Tesla. On my birthday, the October 10th, we had Tesla's We Robot event that actually worked well, in my opinion. The show was pretty crazy, and Elon showed us the future, basically the future. And even though I was bullish in Tesla from the beginning, like 10 years ago, I was not so bullish for the past few years, because Tesla wasn't moving the right direction, I would say, and it was not showing a lot of impact and growth as a stock. But of course, they worked really hard on those AI, robo-taxes, on everything. And now they pivot into something else. They pivot into software company, from car company to software company, basically. And that's what I like. I like this pivot. And guys, look at what's happened in the We Robot event. So basically, Musk showed us the robo taxi, and it's pretty cool. The looks are nice, and imagine you are driving in this, you're getting this for yourself. You just press Uber, and AI Tesla robo taxi comes to pick you up. And that's crazy, this is the future. And production of these self-driving cabs will be around 2026, 2027, with a pricing target of less than $30K. So guys, this is pretty big. This is not only good for Tesla, but imagine a lot of people will want to create their own businesses, self-driving taxi business, because the investment is pretty low. 30K, kind of cheap to get this self-driving taxi, and you could use for yourself. And when you're not using your car, you can just put it to work. So basically it's a win-win for everyone. And of course, I would think, Tesla needs improvements, of course. And if we're thinking about, the food delivery, for example, so Tesla needs something else. They need to add drones, for example, in their car, and they will go pick the food. The drones will go pick the food, and then this robo taxi drives the drones to your house, and the drone will fly to your house and deliver the food to you. And that's what I'm thinking. This should be the future for Tesla, for example. They should have a crazy drone management, and I think that would work really well. And alongside to the cyber cab, Tesla introduced RoboVan, and that RoboVan was pretty huge, like a bus. It can fit up to 20 passengers, and that's pretty cool. Of course, there's not that much of events you want to order this RoboVan, but on huge events it could really work, and maybe even in the future the cities will replace buses, for example, with these RoboVans, and maybe it will be bigger RoboVans, but they will be self-driving. So I think it's cheaper. And this is crazy future that's happening already right now. Let's talk about one of the biggest news in that event is the future AI robot Optimus. And Optimus is the humanoid robot that can basically do anything what you ask for. It can make you a drink, deliver you food, clean your house, basically be a babysitter of your child or a teacher. A lot of crazy things you can imagine this robot will do for you. Like, this is amazing. This is the future, and it's a bit scary to have a robot that films everything what you're doing, for example. But it's actually amazing asset you have in your house. It could save a lot of time for you. And in the event, people already saw that these AI robots can dance. These AI robots can serve you drinks, and this is the advancement of Tesla's AI. This is basically amazing, and Tesla is working really hard to improve our autonomous life. And I think Tesla is not a car company, and it's a software company, and I'm saying it again, but I think this pivot is the best thing that could happen to Tesla, because that made me bullish. That made me more bullish about it. And of course, about robo taxis, we knew already like few years ago, but it was only talks. And now Musk shows us what he's doing, and yeah, I think it's going to be crazy. The next few years, AI robots, guys. Just wait for AI robots. So let's move forward. As we started speaking about AI, the leader of AI is NVIDIA, and it already showed us massive increase in price. And the thing is, am I crazy for picking NVIDIA in almost like all-time highs right now? Well, I don't think so, because NVIDIA is really, really working hard on AI chips and things like that. And AI is growing really fast. And in the 10 years period, I'm not worried about it, because my plan is on every single pick of mine, I'm just going to DCA everything, right? So basically, I'm going to buy on drops. I'm going to buy these assets on corrections and things like that. And yeah, I think NVIDIA is pretty cheap right now, I would say, because the AI is growing really fast. AI is growing really fast. And of course, when I'm investing in the stock, I really care who is leading the company. And Jensen Huang is really smart guy. And I think he will grow NVIDIA even more. And this is AI gold rush. You need to understand that this is AI gold rush. Like I was saying, it's Bitcoin's gold rush, AI gold rush too. This is AI's gold rush too. So why am I not scared about NVIDIA's a high price right now? That NVIDIA is on all-time high, because their customers, if you can understand, NVIDIA is selling to big players in the world like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Tesla. These players are really big, and they want to spend more money, because right now in AI gold rush, the business and everything is about speed. And if you want to move faster in AI gold rush, you need to spend more money. And what these companies are doing, they are buying more from NVIDIA. They want to be the fastest ones. They want to improve AI as fast as possible. And that's why they are spending a lot of billions of dollars. And that's why I'm pretty calm about this NVIDIA pick, because NVIDIA has customers at least for 10 more years. And yeah, of course, they've got AMD or Intel like a competitor player, right? But NVIDIA is top. NVIDIA is a top choice for AI. So I'm not scared about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is not overpriced at all. And in my opinion, this is really a good choice for the next 10 years from the stocks. And the last pick we all been waiting for is Take-Two Interactive Software. And for those who don't know, this company represents GTA 6. They are the developers behind Grand Theft Auto series, and this game is going to be the biggest game of all time on the release. And they've been working so hard on it. I think it's going to be crazy, and all the gamers are waiting the most for this game. So imagine the hype, imagine everything on the launch day. A lot of people will just buy PlayStation or Xbox or a console to play this game, because in the first year of this release, people will be able to play on console only. So, for example, Sony's stock price will increase a lot on the pre-release date. And I think this stock will show us a lot of increase in the next 10 years, because there are rumors that GTA will have their crypto tokenomics. And imagine having a crypto tokenomics in the game, Crypto will be involved in the Grand Theft Auto. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys, that on GTA 6, people will start building businesses. They will start making money on GTA. There will be new job opportunities in GTA. And this is where we going deeper into the gaming industry, because we are evolving into something different right now. And yeah, I think if GTA will have crypto, it will be a massive increase in this stock, because this is crazy. This is actually crazy. And yeah, if they won't release this game with crypto, it will still be the #1 game in the world that everyone wanted for so long and waited for so long, that it doesn't matter. The stock will go up anyways, because a lot of people are waiting it, and it's already created a really big hype in the industry. And yeah, this is going to be crazy. This is going to be crazy. And there you have my top picks for the next 10 years. These are pretty safe picks of mine, and I think they will show a massive gains. And yeah, this is how you beat the market. And of course, this is not a financial advice. Before investing in anything, you should do your own research. And yeah, I hope so you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell to stay updated with my videos. And thanks for watching, and peace. Enjoy.
Crypto, making millions, riding high. No ceiling, no ceiling. Blockchain tech, I'm in control. Decentralized, I'm on the road. DeFi got me on my hustle, no sleep, staying up, no tussle. Mean coins taking over the scene, but I stick to Bitcoin. Ethereum's the dream. Skyrocketing.